So I was at my desk one day and I got a call from the research manager. Somebody came to my desk and said hi, and it didn't sound like the research manager, so I turned and I saw this guy. And then I started to blush. So I started to do this. And then he said to me, "Are you okay?" And I said, "Yes." So he said to me, "You're red." And I said, "No, it's okay." And he's like, "But are you hot?" I said, "Yes, I'm hot, I'm hot." He's like, and it was like that for a couple weeks. Each time he came to my desk, I started to fan myself. And then one day I was at work, I was at home, and I saw a friend request on Facebook, and I went to work and I said, "Colin, guess what? He added me to Facebook." Thomas has a heart that is so warm. He's very kind, he's very giving. And it might sound cliche, but this is someone I met that is so balanced in terms of the qualities that he has. So yes, he's very bright, but that doesn't make him cold and an intellectual. He's also warm toward people. And then I see the side that most people don't see, and that is the crazy side. Thomas is perfect for me, simple. Wherever our path leads us, I know it will be an amazing journey because we're together, and that's all that matters. I love you. And of course, the front says, that day we met, our paths didn't just cross, they merged together and became one.
And so marriage is not just a good idea, it is a God idea. And so he wants us to be married, he wants us to be married, he wants us to be married and have wanted us to be married, but in the fullness of time. You gotta wait until the rose opens. Because if you pluck the rose before it is open, you lose the beauty of the rose. So all this wait has been waiting for the rose to open. And Baba no hawks if it no open. Yes, sir. So the rose is open and ready for business. Sashae Rose Leon.
Sashae Rose Leon.
In token and pledge.
In token and pledge.
Of our covenanted faith.
Of our covenanted faith.
And abiding love.
And abiding love.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I give myself to you.
I give myself to you.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And the Son.
And the Son.
And the Holy Ghost.
And the Holy Ghost.
Receive me.
Receive me.
And all my love.
And all my love.
It's yours, baby.
It's yours, baby.
Take it. Yeah. Thomas Loxley Allen.
Thomas Loxley Allen.
In token and pledge.
In token and pledge.
Of our covenanted faith.
Of our covenanted faith.
And abiding love.
And abiding love.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I give myself to you.
I give myself to you.
All of me.
All of me.
Over to you, baby.
Over to you, baby.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And the Son.
And the Son.
And the Holy Ghost.
And the Holy Ghost.
Take me, baby.
Take me, baby.
Rochelle is often the glue in and across several relationships and groups. She has been a part of some of our most treasured moments and best day ever moments. Thomas, we know you are a cyclist, and so we just invite you to put on your helmet and enjoy the ride with this adventurous, exciting daredevil.
So, Rochelle has bloomed in every phase of her life, and she has a huge heart and is very giving. One of the things you would have noticed in our speech is that she's very tough. She's the protector. She's the heroine. All of those things. Her middle name is Rose, and like a rose, she's very soft and fragile and delicate. All beautiful things. Her stalk or stem is hard, and it represents her hard exterior. But she is a delicate rose. Thomas, it is over to you, my dear brother-in-law, to be the one now to hold my sister tight so that she does not fall. To make her experience endless days of laughter. To be the protector and to be the hero. I know that you will help her bloom into this complete expression of who she really is. Love you, Thomas. Love you, Bug.
Thomas is the kind of person who, when you're at Yui at 10 o'clock at night and you're starving, he'll come all the way from Temple Hall to bring you food. He's the kind of person who, when you've left Clarendon for the first time and you're at college and you are missing your family, he'll drive you all the way back there to visit your family and back again to Kingston so that you can get to school in the morning. He's the kind of person who's always there. He's the kind of person who, when I first met him, he made me feel so comfortable as if we've always known each other.
I know you'll both give this union everything you have and treat the institution of marriage with the respect that it deserves. And I'd like to end by saying, and I hope I'm not the only Doctor Who geek out here, but there's a lot of things you need to get through this universe. Warp drive, wormhole refractors. You know the thing you need most? You need a hand to hold. So here's to wishing you the very best of everything, my dear friends. Cheers. Cheers.
On behalf of my wife and I, that's a new one. We'd like to thank everybody who has helped put on this event, this occasion, this day. But the truth is that I did and participated in so little of putting it on. 90% of this is what Sashae has thought of, has put together. The theme, it's all what Sashae wanted, what Sashae thought of. The planners have been good because it's taken a bit of weight off her shoulders, but really Sashae has taken it all on, and she's the number one person that I thank today.
I want to thank all of you for all the support over the past couple months. You guys, thank you. Let's have fun. We gotta dance. So thank you all from me and my, as they say, when you get married, you have to say my husband. No.
Yes, Mrs. Allen.
No. Thank you all from me and Thomas. We keep it real. Thank you so much, and thank you for sharing this day with us. It's been great.